channel. If this is your first time seeing any of my videos, then go ahead and click that subscribe button down below so you don't miss any of my future videos. This video is actually going to be a part of my Slay on a Budget series. Yes, this series is a series where I'm bringing to you affordable protective styles for under $50. Yes, I said it, $50. So today's video is in collaboration with Sam's Beauty. So Sam's Beauty is an online beauty supply store that provides affordable weave options like wigs, weaves. You have your accessories. They have a wide variety of products on their website, so check them out. The link will be below. If you are interested in this little baby, yes, this Slay on a Budget series hairstyle, then check out my last video. So the wig that I was sent is by the brand SENSATIONNEL, and it is their Empress lace wig, lace front edge, and it is in the style April. I got it in the color 1B. So here is the packaging. Real cute. She actually looks like one of my friends. Hey, Takora. Okay, so the wig comes with a care card, and the care card basically tells you about the hairstyle, how to care for the wig, as well as it provides different styles by the same brand, and it shows you how to cut off the lace. And oh, that's cute. Oh, see, I'm a natural girl and I'm not leaving no hair out, but it shows you the different steps to actually cut the L part so that you can leave some of your hair out
today, because the way this natural hair is set up, it's a no.
Oh, it says that the wig is safe up to 350 to 400 degrees. I personally have never, ever flat ironed any of my synthetic units, but we may give her a try to see if she is actually flat iron curling iron safe up to 400 degrees. The wig comes with like a foam inside of it, and basically the foam is so that you can repackage the hair after you use the hair, which is actually pretty smart, because I have a lot of wigs and Lord knows if I did not have packaging for them, I don't have enough mannequin head to put every wig on. So this is really convenient. So the inside lace looks like this, and it's like a curved part, and then there are two combs in the front, one here and one here, and then there is a comb in the back, and it also has adjustable straps for my ladies with the little heads. I like to think that I have an average size head, so 9 times out of 10 I usually don't need to use the adjustable straps, but we'll see when I try on this wig. So I went ahead and I already cut the lace off, and this is what it looks like. I cut really close to the hairline, but not actually cutting into the hairline. So we're going to go ahead and snatch this one off, put this one on, and then I'll be back to show you what it looks like. Okay, so right now this is just me, all natural. I just have a wig cap underneath. It's a black wig cap. Some people like to wear like flesh tone wig caps. I don't really have a preference. I feel like the lace is already tinted, so you don't really need to have a flesh tone wig cap.
So we're just going to go ahead and put her on.
Ooh, ooh, girl. Okay, so if I were to wear it in a middle part, this is what she would look like. And to be totally honest, girl, it's a no for me. It's a no. It's a big no. It's a no for me, sis. So this is what she would look like if I were to wear her in a middle part. And I'm just doing this for the sake of this review so that you can see what it looks like in the middle, but the middle part is a no for me. So yeah, this is what she looks like in the middle, but I'm just gonna go ahead and shift her over to the side because I'm sure you know and are well aware that I am a side part girl. Yes, yes. Okay, now this is more like it. Let me, I'm just going to put the comb in so that the hair lays flat and that so that it is secure. So one thing that I can say about this hair straight out of the box is that it really does have a human hair like texture. So it may be showing up like shiny on the camera because of my lighting, but she's not shiny at all. She looks very realistic. She looks very natural. She's really lightweight, although this is a lot of hair, girl. Although this is a lot of hair and it's really voluminous, it's not heavy. So that's a plus.
So get into these bangs. I'm just going to play with it a little bit to get it to where I like it. And I may actually end up cutting some of the bang as well.
So I can honestly say that I like this hair. So yes, the hair is very voluminous. So if you don't like big hair, you probably want to steer clear of this unit. But I like big hair. Actually, I love big hair. And this is everything. She looks like she may be about 20 inches long. I mean, she comes to about my armpit. And then in the back, she comes to like right above my butt. So yeah, so she's about 20, I want to say about 20 inches long. I'd say the pros about this hair is that it looks natural, that it feels natural, that it is a diva-like hairstyle, that it's very glamorous. And then I would only, like, I guess for me, my only con for this hair would be that I could not wear it on a daily basis. And the only reason I say that is because she's very long. And I mean, for my girls who like their long hair, like this unit is for you. Like this is like date night hair, or this is like I'm going out with my girls, you know, that type of thing. Like I don't feel like you could wear this hair every day at work. Overall, it's a nice unit. Turn around so you can see the curls. Another pro about this hair is the closure. On the box it shows that you can cut off the closure, actually have leave out, but I don't feel like there's a need for it because look at this.
Look at how natural this parting space is.
Because this part over here is just really, really nagging me. And it's probably because this wig looks like it was supposed to be meant for like a middle part. So to customize it to my side part liking, I'm just gonna go in and cut some light layers into it.
Okay, now she is sitting, honey.
If I had to rate this wig, I think I would give this wig a 9. And the only reason I'm giving it a 9 is because I like to wear my wigs daily. And like I said, I don't feel like this is an everyday wig. I feel this is more like a going out on the town. Like I'm trying to stop shows. That's this type of wig. So this wig was $32.99, which definitely falls under my $50 Slay on a Budget series. And this wig comes in a variety of colors. Once again, if you would like the information about this unit, check the information down below, and I'll catch y'all in my next video. Bye.